From busy toilets to pool parties, My Talking Tom Friends has it all. 6 buddies are learning to live together, and they need your help. Turn chaos into fun as you play and laugh with the coolest friends you've ever met. My Talking Tom Friends. Download now and play. Never stops in My Talking Tom Friends. Ride a skateboard, decorate your house, wear funny outfits, grow cotton candy, play music, sports, mini games. There are so many things to discover together. My Talking Tom Friends, a brand new game with all your best friends. Download now and play. Can you handle Talking Tom and all of his friends together? Download My Talking Tom Friends, a brand new game with all your favorite characters. Make sure they feel okay so you can play all day. Sing, cook, swim, build, explore, or just hug a friend. With 6 lovable crazy pals in one awesome house, anything is possible.
Ta-da!
My Talking Tom Friends. Download now and play your own way. The big day is almost here, and you don't want to miss it. Tom, Hank, Ben, Ginger, Angela, and Becca are moving into a new house together. For the first time ever, all 6 friends need you to play with them. The friends are ready. Are you? Pre-register now and don't miss out. Be the first to play My Talking Tom Friends.